Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Master Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Bluetooth on your MacBook Pro. So to enable Bluetooth, you have two options. The first option is to go to the click on this icon, the settings icon on the top of the screen, and as you can see here you will have the Bluetooth settings. You can activate it easily, or you have another option is to go and click on the Apple icon on the top left of the screen, and after that click on system settings. And on system settings, as you can see here, there is an option called Bluetooth. You just need to click on it, and after that go and activate your Bluetooth easily like that. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.